Hi, this is Larry at Artistic Threadworks, and just wanted to show you how to fix the problem that you might have noticed where Firefox suddenly won't download some of your files. So I'm going to go through this really fairly quickly. It took me about 3.5 hours with the help of Robin and I working together to finally figure out what was going on. So I took some screen captures to be able to show you the whole situation here and what you can do about it. So in this picture, we just are looking at a download page with a download button that a person would click on normally, and they would get a file that pops up that says, you know, save the file, and you'd click OK, at which point, if you're in Firefox, you may have noticed there's a little arrow right up here on the top right-hand corner, and that arrow displays the progress of the ongoing download. And normally there is no little yellow dot next to it. Normally this arrow is initially just a little green line that goes across fairly quickly if you have fast internet. And then the green line shows the progress, and when it's done, then it turns to a blue line, a blue arrow pointing down that means your file is downloaded. And if you click on that blue arrow there, you normally get to see where the file is and so on. But if you get the yellow dot, it means there was an error. And if you click on the download arrow, you would see these ones down below, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom here, successfully downloaded in the past. But this one created the yellow dot, which indicates there was an error. And then you see the blue dot next to it with a little information message. So if you click on this arrow to the right here, it's going to show you what the information says, or the error message, what it says. So I did that, and what we see here is this file is not commonly downloaded. Well, you may have noticed that that is a zip file. And yes, zip files are commonly downloaded. So this just started, from what I can see, with Firefox's latest version of their software, and that came out looks like March 2017. I'm going to show you how you know what version of Firefox. Now I'm running a Mac, so it's very slightly different. For me, the menu is up here on the top. For you folks with Windows, the menu is probably going to be right on the top of the window rather than on the top of the page. But for me, I go up to Firefox and I choose About Firefox. And I can see that the version that I'm running is 52.0.2, and that's when the error started. Now, if you're running Windows, you would come to the menu along the top here, and you would choose, I think it's Firefox Help, and then choose About. So it'd be Help, About, and that will tell you your version of Firefox. And if you're running 52.0.2 also, then you may have noticed the error. Now the thing is, it does not happen on all zip files, but it does happen on zip files that are served from certain places. And we use one of those places. We rent some server space from Amazon, and it's very reliable and so on, but apparently there's a conflict between the newest version of Firefox downloading files that are on Amazon, and I'll show you what the conflict is and where to go about changing it. So let's move this window back out of the way, and we'll continue on here. So the message says this file is not commonly downloaded. You can click the blue button here that says Remove File, and you can get rid of that file that did not download properly. Now, this is a screen capture from Windows version of Firefox, and over on the right-hand side, you'll see a little 3 lines. It looks like a paragraph symbol. If you click on it, it gives you the menus for Firefox, and one of the things is that you can click where it says Options, and it's a little gear wheel. Now, another way you can get there is to come over here to where it says Tools on the top left side on your menu. Choose Tools, and there you can choose Options from that location. All right, once you've gone into Options, you're going to see a section that says General, And then there's a little bit of a menu on the left-hand side, and you want to go to the left of that. Unfortunately, I didn't capture all of that, but one of the things there says security. So you want to click on the tab, the word security over here on the left. And then when you do, you'll see that this is a new feature, apparently, that came out with version 52.0.2 of Firefox, where they turn on security that says, warn me about unwanted and uncommon software. And of course, a zip file is not uncommon software to download, but apparently, for some reason, it gets triggered there. So all you have to do is, let's move this out of the way, put your cursor on that little checkbox where it says, warn me about unwanted and uncommon software, and click on it once, and that will remove the check mark. And that should fix the problem. So at that point, we come back now into our download page, and we click again on the download button here. And what you'll see is, again, the download box, and you can choose to save the file, and you click OK. And this time, when you click OK, up on the right-hand side, you see the little blue download arrow indicating that the file has properly downloaded now. And I'll move that out of the way. And here we can click on that download arrow, and you'll see that same design set is now downloaded successfully. There is no dot next to it with information. So that's it. That's how you would go about fixing the problem with Firefox until they've updated again and made it so that it will actually download files that are saved on an Amazon server. It could happen on other servers also. I don't know about other ones. I know that it does not happen on our files that are on Dropbox, and it doesn't happen on some other things. And it doesn't even happen on all of the files that we have on our Amazon server. But it does happen on enough of them that I've seen other people pulling their hair out trying to figure out what's going on with this, and I thought I would share that information with you. Hope that solves the problem. If you have any other issues, need help, certainly get in touch with me. Just go to artisticthreadworks.com and click on help, and you can contact me there. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.